So I was sent this INSETLAN 20-ounce clear glass cup set. We are going to go ahead and test this out and give our opinion on what we think about them. So right away, straight out of the box, these are packaged very well. This is some very thick foam here, and it is snug in the box, so I'm sure nothing was able to wiggle around. On the side, you're going to find the thin little box here. Once we open this up, we're going to find the 2 straws and the straw cleaner brush. Pulling these out, the lid and glass straws were packaged very well. The lid fits snugly without feeling too tight, and the straws are actually sturdy, not those super thin ones that feel like they're going to snap. I love that everything matches and looks super sleek together. Holding the cup feels good too. The shape is comfortable, not too big or bulky, and the thickness of the glass gives it a nice weight without it being too heavy. They just have a really high quality feel to them, and these would make fabulous gifts for someone. I went ahead and tried them with iced coffee, of course, and then they kept the drink cold longer than my usual cups. Then I have used one for a smoothie, and the wide straw made it easy to drink without clogging or struggling. They're definitely versatile enough for pretty much anything, so tea, milk, juices, cocktails, whatever you want.